Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Firstly, I want to apologise about that my glasses are reflecting. I don't have the coating on them this time, which is annoying, but we just need to work through it. So today is a very exciting day. I had a message on Instagram the other day and I did a little squeal. It was from Witchbox and I've had the boxes before. I paid for them before, but this one's been sent in PR. They asked me if I'd do a video. They give me a discount code for you guys, which is loose10, which will get you 10% off your first box. It's £32 a month. It's all witchy goodness, so good vibes and witchy stuff that I love. Not everybody likes it, and that's fine. But if you're like me at all and like your witchy stuff, it's a good one. So we're gonna unbox it together. Now, I think it's £32 for the UK, and then the rest of the world I think is £40 a month. And I think every box is worth over £70, the contents. So let's have a look. Why don't you want to open? Don't want to break my nails. Get out. Oh, I did it. Okay, so it looks like this. So Witchbox, an exclusive design by Ravenswood Manor for Witchbox. The woods whisper to me. It's a really pretty postcard. I have got a lot of little postcards and stuff from different boxes up here, so I'm going to put that up there with my thingies. And it says, Witchbox, your April box. This is beautiful. The prints on that, look at that. It's so pretty. Welcome to your April box. This month's box is themed tree magic. Trees have been regarded as sacred through the ages, with many pathways feeling a strong connection to one or more particular trees. This box has been created to help you connect with their power. Blessings. Our boxes are suitable for vegetarians and are cruelty-free. The majority of packaging is recyclable, biodegradable and eco-friendly. The bubble wrap used in the box is biodegradable. We use natural fibres for the majority of our products, and we are working with Clean Ocean initiatives so that the percentage of all subscription box sales goes to help clear plastics out of the ocean. Awesome. So let me just show you the contents. It looks like that. So we have got a spell kit. Where's this one? This spell was devised and written by our resident English witch and contains everything you need to perform it. Use the spell to help you reach a decision. So let's have a look and see. Oh, that's pretty. Immediately distracted by pretty things in the box. So what have we got? We've got some mugwort. We've got a pink pencil, and it's like a wooden pencil, and a tea light. So you need a small bowl or cup and a piece of plain paper, and then it just gives you the instructions on the back, which is lovely. Pop that back in there. We have got an exclusive Trees Are Magic badge. I still haven't found a jacket. I've got so many badges that I've collected over the years that I want to put on a jacket, and I cannot find the perfect. I want like a denim jacket that's like a lightweight, like not a, you know, like some denim jackets like really stiff, and I don't like those ones. I want a really nice, basically I want a worn one. I want someone to break it in for me. I want someone to break in all my clothes for me. But I've got so many badges, so many pretty badges that I want to put on, but that's beautiful, really lovely. It says, this month we have designed this pin badge for you to carry the image of the Celtic tree of life wherever you go. Remember, pin badges do not always have to be used as such. They can be added to spell bags, bottles, or left on your altar when looking to invoke the power of trees. We have got, what are you? A tree oracle deck, a set of 20 oracle cards, which is cute. Really, again, really pretty packaging. This deck has been designed by us and printed in the UK and is built on the ancient tree runes. Use these cards in a past, present and future spread, or pull one at a time to answer specific questions. Let's have a look. Get out of your little cardboard prison. Oh, they're very pretty. Look. Let's give them a little... If you don't know how to use like oracle cards and tarot cards, you just shuffle them until they feel right. That's what I do anyway. It's probably not right, but that's what I do. And I've got like 4 different sets over there. So it just depends on the day of how you feel, of what you want to do. Let's just do one and have like a pull for the month of June. So we see. I've got the willow. I'm going to the willows tomorrow. That's weird. Creativity, imagination, intuition, and wisdom. I feel like that's a good one. That's going to be a nice month. June's going to be a good month. To be fair, this whole year has been amazing, so yes. What are you? Oh, pretty. You are a Palo Santo bundle with what looks like lavender. Oh, I love lavender. And it's got the little tree on it again. The Palo Santo tree is sacred too, and the burning of its wood is thought to relieve stress, clear negative energy, increase concentration, and recharge your energy. These sticks are ethically gathered and can be used much like a smudge stick. Burn at the end and waft around your space. The bundle has been decorated with a sprig of lavender to bring peace. Oh, lavender is one of my favourite smells in the entire world. And again, I know a lot of people, I feel like lavender is a bit like Marmite. It's like you either love it or you hate it. I love it. Same as rose. I hate the smell of rose with a passion that burns deep inside of me. But I love lavender. What are you? Ooh, moss agate. You're very pretty. Where are you? Where are you? That is beautiful. A crystal. Pretty. Moss agate. And it says, your crystal of the month is moss agate. Moss agate is known for its calming and balancing properties. This stone, of course, gets its name from its beautiful green mottled pattern resembling green moss. Some people have suggested wearing this stone when meeting new people, and it can help develop new and happy relationships. That's awesome. Again, if you don't know how to use crystals, there's an abundance of information online. They're very easy. Most big towns have like a crystal shop now, or like a witchy shop now. And generally the people that work in it can give you advice as to what you want, but I have been known to wander around with crystals within my bra if I feel like I need them. So yeah, you can wear this, you can have it in your pocket, they're very tactile to hold. So it's like, they're nice if you are feeling anxious or something, even if you aren't using a specific crystal for a specific use, they are very nice to hold. And are you a bee? Oh no, it's not, it's a fly. Do you see the instant panic? And then that was a bee. I'm like a child. Right, what are you? This is... Oh, it's just a really pretty, tells you all about the different months, the trees that have the different months. Birch, rowan, ash, alder, willow, hawthorn, oak, holly, hazel, vine, ivy, and reed. And it tells you all the different things about the different trees. That's beautiful. Again, that's a nice one just to go on your wall, or you can put it in a frame if you so wish. But I'm not allowed to put anything on the walls in this house other than with blue tack, so I'm just going to blue tack it to the wall. Ooh, a wax melt. Hazelnut and English oak wax melt with emerald and rose quartz crystals. Ooh. Moonstone and Sage UK. What can I smell in that? Doesn't smell of rose, thankfully. It's got rose quartz. It says rose petals as well, but I can't smell those. I love a wax melt. I don't think you can ever go wrong with a wax melt. So that's very pretty. And I think that will be very pretty when it burns because it's got all the different bits in it. Lovely job. What are you in a bag? Ooh. What are you? Oh, you're breakable. What are you? Oh, that's so pretty. Where is it? Where is it? Why can't I find this? It's an aventurine crystal tree. Look. That's so pretty. Use this tree as a reminder of the magic of trees at your altar, even when you do not have the real thing close by. See, I'm very lucky because right outside my bedroom window, there's just so many trees, which make me happy. Aventurine is a positive stone for being associated with luck and fortune. So this little tree can also be used as a lucky charm. Packaged in a natural jute bag. Cute! And then I think the last thing is a journal, I think. That's beautiful. Stand firmly rooted so that you may reach for the stars. Designed by us, the journal features the tree of life and one of the favourite quotes on the reverse. Use your journal to note down your thoughts and experiences you have during meditation, perhaps when in nature or as a book of shadows or a grimoire. That is beautiful. Oh, and it's got the design. Oh, it's got somewhere to hold your pen as well. Look. That is so pretty. I love stationery. I'm a bugger for stationery. Like, it's embarrassing as an adult how many notebooks I have. But I like them. I need them. Probably don't need them. I just want them. that was the box. I think that was lovely. Let me know your thoughts. I will leave a link down below to Witchbox's Instagram and their website with my discount code. I don't get anything for the discount code. That's just for you. It's not like a an affiliate link. I won't earn anything from it. It is just for you to get some discount off a box should you choose to. So thank you to Witchbox for sending me this. It was amazing. I love it. And I hope you guys like it too. And I will speak to you soon. I love you. Bye.